Hello everyone, day 23 of day 123 day challenge, and as you all know, I'm working on the how to create a content on Instagram and also becoming trying to become a better camera person. So today means one thing I realized that like we all create a content and we create a content for humans, and so the number one thing one should even think of before creating a content is like what is human psychology to digest a content. For example, what exactly human wants and what exactly the psychology like this is something you will learn from the people who are selling, but I think this will also applicable in content creation also, because if we use that kind of thing in our content, then there is chances that we'll get more engagement, our content get be shared more, and if somebody wants to take any conversion action, then we can ask for that. So yes, it is one of the important thing which I found it, and I thought let me discuss with you. And while going through it, like I have noted down lot of things and I will share one by one today. And I think these are the things which are the most important things, and one should always think of before creating content, or if even before becoming a content creator, or even learn not only learn to sell and create a content, but to become a better human being also. This kind of thing, this kind of learning I'm sharing today will be must. So yeah, today we'll talk about few important cognitive bias that from comes from human psychology, and that how our brain works and how that biases we can use in our content so that you can get more kind of virality, or if you want to ask a user to some take some sort of action, that we can. So first one is halo effect. What is halo effect? First impression really matters. There is a lot of book which tells that of never judge a book by its cover, but that is not the case. To be frank, we all are human and we really judge a human being by the how the content is look like, what is the thumbnail, what is the which kind of camera quality. They things really matters, because we all are human and we judge as per the what our eyes sees. So that's important, and the concept we call it halo effect. Halo effect is like at first impression really matters. The second one is series position effect. So if you want to tell something that is very important in your content, that make sure that you start with the important thing and finish at the important things, and in between you can keep other things. Means this effect really matters. We all are human beings. We If you ask somebody what you have talked to your mother today, or what you have done today, then higher chances that people will tell you what they have done the first thing in the morning and what they have done recently. So this is called series positional effect, and it is this is how our human brain works, because our human brain really think about what recently we done, and according to that we react. So these things really matter. So if you want to put something very important in your content, then make sure that it should be at the start or at the end. Okay, so this is second, and third one is recency effect. That I already mentioned, that something which we go through recently, there is higher chances that we recall that. So why everybody talks about put content every day? Because when you put content every day, then you are constantly in their watch list, so that the people can watch you continuously. So that kind of person who is showing them every day, they it indirectly we as a human will start liking and relatable to them, and we start taking action to the person who recently showing up every day. So that's why people talks about show up every day, create content every day. It's really matter. This is one of the reason, because our human brain will relate to the things that they see on most recently, or they're seeing it like consistently. And the third one, fourth one, I will say loss aversion effect. Yeah. So we all are human being. We don't like to lose something. This is a really important. Fear of missing out is one of the concept that came from this bias only. Like people don't like to lose anything. Suppose if you are creating some sort of offer, if you are trying to push something, you are trying to put some sort of product, and you want to sell it, through reels or content creation, make sure that you create some sort of scarcity and urgency in it. This really helps, because, and make sure it's a genuine one, because lot of people add a lot of timers and they use lot of only two product left, only four things left. If you make it really genuine, then there it will really create a effect that okay, people will start taking action, because nobody wants to lose something that they really like and love to take it. So yeah, this is one of the, if fourth one I shared. And choice overload, this is the last one I have to share today. We all human are here, not, we all human love simplicity. This is how we organize from the brain point of view also. So if you show them lot of option in your reel, and if you create a content lot of things around it, there are chances that they will miss you. So if you are somebody who can simplify the things and make this in step by step format, then there is chances that people will start looking into it, because people like simplicity. And this is one of the reason why marketers always listen the people and share them very limited option to the audience. Okay, this is I feel the most suitable to you, because marketers job or content creator job is to simplify the things for the people, so that they can get a right value and exact thing for them, and so they don't have to be put their mind in various choices. So this is something I really liked, and today onwards even I am trying to implement the same thing in my content point of view, so that I will make the in little more step by step, so that people who are watching me out will get more value. And let's get rid of the other chaos around it, and let's provide the right value, to the point value, so that the things will look sorted to them. So yeah, that's all for the day, and I will keep talking about this psychology little more about in next video also, because I really find it very interesting, and I hope you guys also liking what I'm sharing. So if you like it, please do like and share my channel, so it will help me to gain some sort of confidence, like okay, like I also providing. And if you're liking what the things I'm doing, please make sure you post the same in comment section. Yeah, that's all for the day, and we will meet you tomorrow.